Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our ERB employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your ERB employee account, what you have to do is first of all open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for ERB employee login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page. From here, what you can do is just tap on the second option, which says registration and login. So after tapping on registration and login, you'll come up to this page, and from here you can log into your account. So if you don't have an account, what you can do is just simply enter your email address and password, and you can register to your account. But if you already have an account, what it will do is it will directly log into your account. So just enter your user ID and then enter your password. In user ID you can also enter your email address, so you can enter that if you have logged into your account with your email address. So after entering your user ID or your email address and then entering your password, what you have to do is you have to select your login type. So I'll select employer. So after selecting that, now what you can do is just simply tap on register, and after tapping on register, if you have an account, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what we'll do is just tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password, you can easily reset or recover your password. So just tap on forgot password, and then you can easily reset or recover your account's password by creating a new one. So after creating a new password, come back to this login page and then enter the password that you have created and then tap on register, and by doing that you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your ERB employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.